Kia ora! Welcome to the third lesson in Possessives. Today we're going to learn how to say ours, theirs, and also yours when talking about more than one person. To do this, we need to know the plural pronouns. For example, kōrua, which means you two, and koutou, which means you all, for three or more people. To say yours, we add another word before the pronoun. Which word depends on the category and if we're talking about one thing or more than one thing. Let's look at kōrua. Tā kōrua manu. Your bird. Ā kōrua manu. Your birds. Animals are in the A category. Tō kōrua pōtai. Your hat. O kōrua pōtai. Your hats. Clothing is in the O category. The process is exactly the same for all of the other plural pronouns. Here they are as a reminder. Kōrua and koutou. You. Rāhua and rātou. Them. Tāhua and tātou. Us, inclusive. Māhua and mātou. Us, exclusive. To all of these, we add tā for one thing that belongs to the A category. Ā for more than one thing that belongs to the A category. Tō for one thing that belongs to the O category. Or more than one thing that belongs to the O category. Let's try it out. Poaka means pig. What would the correct possessive be for your pigs when speaking to more than two people? Ā koutou poaka. Animals belong to the A category, and ā koutou means yours for more than two people. Ika means fish. What would the correct possessive be for their fish if the fish belongs to a couple? Tā rāhua ika. Animals belong to the A category, and tā rāhua means theirs for two people. Puti puti means flower. What would the correct possessive be for our flowers if the us is exclusive and more than two people? O mātou puti puti. Nature belongs to the O category, and o mātou means ours. More than two people, exclusive. Aroha means love. What would be the correct possessive for our love if you're speaking to your lover. Tō tāhoa aroha. Feelings belong to the O category, and tō tāhoa means ours. Two people, inclusive. Very good. Now you know the possessives for plural pronouns. Ka kite!